The Red Cross works to save lives, and you could help.
We desperately are in need of volunteers.
Kevin Mezuzin is the executive director of the Vermont chapter. They're looking for volunteers for Sound the Alarm, their big push to install smoke detectors in Rutland at the end of September.
So much of it is getting the alarm, having that smoke detected, but then being able to get out of the house very quickly. People think that they have a lot more time to get out of the house, and they don't.
Volunteers will also be helping families put together escape plans. This is the Red Cross of Vermont's first big rally day for the year-round program. That's already made a difference.
We actually have even recorded our first save within the region.
A smoke alarm that one of their volunteers installed helped a man escape his house during a fire.
That's our mission, is to prevent and alleviate human suffering. So it's really an amazing thing.
And it's free, a program they believe is really invaluable.
It's a blessing to have that in place because you can sleep comfortably knowing that your family is safe.
Safe and prepared in the case of a fire. In Burlington, Abby Isaacs, NBC5 News.